Space, the final frontier, a vast mysterious expanse that has captivated humanity for centuries. But what if everything we've been told about space exploration is a lie? What if the universe holds secrets that are being hidden from us? Today, on Truth Unveiled, we're going to dive deep into some of the most fascinating conspiracy theories that question the reality of space and everything we think we know about it. From the moon landings to extraterrestrial life, these theories challenge our perception of the cosmos and make us question the very fabric of our reality. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a mind-bending journey into the heart of space conspiracies. Get ready to have your perception of the universe challenged. Let's get started. First up, the theory that's been around for decades: the moon landings were faked. In 1969, the Apollo 11 mission claimed to land Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin on the moon, a monumental achievement for humanity. But many believe that the US government, locked in a fierce space race with the Soviet Union during the Cold War, staged the event entirely. Critics argue that there are strange inconsistencies in the footage and photographs from the Apollo missions. For example, the American flag planted on the lunar surface appears to ripple as if caught in a gentle breeze, despite there being no atmosphere on the moon. How could this be? Was it simply a careless oversight by the filmmakers, or is there something more to it? The way shadows fall in the photos also seems odd to some, with some suggesting that they don't align the way they would under natural lighting conditions. Could this be evidence of artificial lighting used on a sound stage, meant to mimic the harsh sunlight on the moon? And of course there's the issue of the stars, or rather, the lack thereof. The photos taken during the mission show no stars in the sky, despite being in the vacuum of space, where stars should be even more brilliant than what we observe from Earth. Could it be that the moon landings were filmed on Earth, perhaps in a remote desert location or a top-secret soundstage, a meticulously crafted illusion designed to fool the world? Let's take a closer look at the evidence and examine the arguments of both sides. Next, let's tackle one of the most controversial ideas in modern conspiracy circles. The Earth is flat. While science has long proven that Earth is a globe, using everything from satellite imagery to simple experiments that anyone can replicate, some believe the opposite, clinging to the belief that our planet is a flat disk rather than a sphere. Flat Earth theorists argue that everything we've been told about the shape of the planet is part of a massive, multi-generational cover-up orchestrated by powerful forces. According to them, NASA and other space agencies around the world have fabricated all the images of Earth from space, creating the illusion of a spherical planet to hide the truth. They claim that every single round Earth photo is manipulated, digitally altered to maintain the illusion of a globe. Why would they do this? According to flat earthers, it's about control, hiding the true nature of the world and preventing us from discovering the real shape of the planet, which they believe is surrounded by a massive, impenetrable ice wall that holds back the oceans. This control, they argue, allows those in power to maintain their grip on knowledge and, by extension, on humanity itself. But what about all the scientific evidence to the contrary? How do flat earthers explain the countless observations, experiments, and even everyday phenomena that demonstrate the Earth's curvature? Theories suggest that all space travel, even missions to the moon, are part of a well-coordinated lie, a carefully constructed facade designed to perpetuate the myth of a spherical Earth. Now let's explore something truly bizarre: the hollow Earth theory. This idea posits that the Earth is not a solid sphere, as scientists tell us, but rather hollow, with vast, unknown subterranean civilizations living deep beneath our feet, hidden from the prying eyes of surface dwellers. Some proponents of this theory even claim that there are enormous openings at the north and south poles, hidden passages that lead to these hidden realms. These openings, they say, are carefully guarded, their existence known only to a select few. Could these be the hidden entrances to a world within our world? Proponents of the hollow Earth theory argue that the government is covering up the truth, hiding the existence of a vast advanced civilization thriving beneath the surface. This civilization, they believe, possesses technology far beyond our own, knowledge that could revolutionize life on the surface if it were ever to be revealed. But why the secrecy? It doesn't stop there. Some even suggest that these underground cities might be inhabited by extraterrestrial beings, refugees from distant star systems, or perhaps remnants of ancient civilizations, with technology far beyond what we've discovered on the surface. Could Earth's real secrets, the keys to unlocking our true past and our potential future, be buried beneath our feet? And if so, why hasn't this been uncovered by mainstream science? Is there a concerted effort to suppress this knowledge, or is it simply too incredible to believe? One of the most popular conspiracies about space is that alien life has already been discovered on the Moon and Mars, and the truth is being kept from the public. According to this theory, space agencies like NASA have found evidence of extraterrestrial civilizations but are keeping it a secret. The famous Face on Mars image captured by NASA's Viking 1 orbiter in 1976 sparked speculation about ancient alien civilizations. NASA explained it as a trick of light and shadow, but many believe it's evidence of a long-lost Martian civilization. Some theorists claim there are pyramids, monuments, and alien bases on Mars, all covered up by authorities. Could it be that we are not alone in the universe, and evidence of alien life is right on our doorstep, hidden in plain sight? Next, we'll talk about the Van Allen radiation belts, two donut-shaped regions of charged particles that surround Earth, held in place by our planet's magnetic field. These belts, while fascinating to scientists, are at the heart of a conspiracy theory that claims space travel, especially to the Moon, is impossible. The Van Allen belts are filled with harmful high-energy particles, mainly protons and electrons, trapped by Earth's magnetic field. These particles pose a significant radiation hazard to spacecraft and, more importantly, to humans traveling through them. Conspiracy theorists argue that the Apollo missions, with the technology available at the time, couldn't have passed through these belts without being destroyed by the radiation. The astronauts, they say, would have received lethal doses of radiation, making their survival impossible. Could this be why we haven't returned to the Moon since 1972? Some believe the radiation is simply too dangerous for humans to travel through, suggesting that the Apollo landings were faked to avoid revealing this inconvenient truth. After all, if space travel beyond Earth's orbit is impossible due to the deadly radiation, wouldn't governments want to keep that information under wraps to avoid panic and unrest? Could these radiation belts be the key to unlocking the mystery of space travel, a seemingly insurmountable obstacle that calls into question everything we thought we knew about our ventures beyond Earth? Or is there a simpler explanation, a way to navigate the dangers of the Van Allen belts that has been hidden from the public? And finally, we come to the idea of a secret space program, a concept that has captivated imaginations. Some believe that governments have been running covert space missions for decades, operating in the shadows. These missions allegedly involve technology far more advanced than anything we see publicly. Technology that pushes the boundaries of what we believe to be possible. Some whisper of anti-gravity propulsion systems, faster-than-light travel, and zero-point energy. Are we secretly preparing for intergalactic war, amassing a fleet of warships in space? According to theorists, all of this could already be happening while we're left in the dark. The truth, as they say, is out there. But is it hidden in government vaults and classified files accessible only to a select few? Or is the idea of a secret space program simply too fantastical, a product of overactive imaginations? So, what do you think? Are these theories just the product of overactive imaginations, fueled by a distrust of authority and a yearning for something more than ordinary reality? Or is there a hidden truth about space that's being kept from us? A truth too incredible for most to comprehend? Could the universe hold secrets far beyond what we've been told? Secrets that challenge our understanding of science, history, and even our place in the cosmos? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And remember to like and subscribe for more mind-bending theories and mysteries from the cosmos. Keep questioning, keep exploring, and never stop searching for the truth.